Question number 5. A sunbather is supported in water by a floating sunbed. Okay. Which diagram represents the magnitude of the forces acting on the sunbed? See, first thing is, know the terms here. Is supported. What do you mean by supported? That means he is neither moving downwards nor moving upwards. And is floating, which means what? Total forces acting on it is 0. Right. Now look at this here. Let us look at this one here. So now what do we see here? We see that this force, if I take this force, okay, let us say take a scale and measure this value, this arrow here. Okay, this could be something like around 4 centimeter here, and this could be much higher. Let it be, for example, this could be around 5-6 centimeter over here. Okay, add these two arrows and then find out whether this arrow is equal to so much. Definitely not. See, if you look into it, let me rub it out and show you too once again. It may take some time, but it's easier to understand it like this. Okay, you see, this is just half of this here, right? Just half of it. Okay, this is just half of this length. So therefore, another half is remaining here. But is this length equal to this length? Definitely not, right? So see, what do you mean by equilibrium? When upward force is equal to downward force, it's equilibrium. So in that case, you can see, okay, this is not in equilibrium. So this is not correct. Now let us take up this here. Now what's happening here? So this length is covered by this length, okay? And then what about the other one here? This is much larger than this one. So this is also not in equilibrium. Now let us look at this here. Now what is happening here? See, this length is nearly equal to this length. But what will happen to this extra length over here? So therefore, this is also not correct. The only option left out is D. So D should be the right answer. If you want, you can verify this also. See, this length possibly could be equal to this length over here, right? So therefore, now and at the same time, this length would be equal to this length over here. This length should be equal to this length over here, which length? This length over here. And as a result of it, it will be in equilibrium. D is the right answer.